Yes, my beautiful people again. Yeah, man, it have some difficulties with the live. So I wait until some more people come on the live, you know. Yeah, man, Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. Show no how go on. Big up yourself, Marcia. Big up yourself anywhere you watch from. Big up yourself all the time. Just wait for some more people come up on the live. Show them what go on Santa Cruz. On the day, yeah. Rainy day and night. Long time we don't have this in Jamaica, you know, so. Show them what go on Santa Cruz town. You also can share the live. Yeah, man, Santa Cruz today, so the show go on Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. Whole heap of rain I get in Jamaica. Whole heap of rain. Because you know, so when you get some rain in Jamaica for a couple of days, you know, say, a whole heap of place are going to flood out. So you know, so we don't want too much of the flooding. So I hope everybody keeps safe. Giving an update for St. Elizabeth Parish, Santa Cruz. Yeah, man, so big up everyone who's watching now on the live. Big up who I watch from. Giving a tour. Yes, I'm close to Market Street. Yeah, man, so I'm giving a tour down in the market area, showing down in the market area setup. Yeah, man, rainy season. Big up all the vendor them, big up on yourself, earning an honest dollar. Send the kids go to school. Yeah, man, now the rain, you don't want some ackee and saltfish and fried dumpling and Milo tea. What do you say? What kind of food do you want in the weather? I don't want soup. Some cow skin soup with some peanuts. Giving a tour in a beautiful area, you know. Big up yourself, Karen. Big up yourself. Take a drive, go over in town wholesale depot. man, so I can remember to like up the video free of cost. Live in Jamaica, St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, Santa Cruz. Yeah man, so I'm taking them up on Market Street, you know, because you know one way in, one way out when they come in town shopping centre. Big up yourself, Tati. Yeah man, just share the live for me please. Live in Jamaica, you know, Santa Cruz. Rainy day. So I'm right behind the JN Bank. Yeah man, you have a nice plaza on the side there. You have your pharmacy. You have your doctor's office around here. X-ray. Oh, I realized the JN Bank move around this side. Sorry about that. And also you have the IKEA around here. So you have a Santa Cruz Pharmacy. Also Pharmaplex. See a lot of people standing outside of the JN Bank. You know, Jamaica system. You come on to banking system, you realize a lot of people outside of the banking system slow. A lot of people having problem with their NCB account now. So anyone who have anyone I know a lot of people overseas if you know a bank of NCB in Jamaica, you all need to check your account because a lot of people, their account has been hacked and NCB not responsible for their money. That's what they are saying. So if you don't have any money in an NCB bank, you need to check on the money, check on the account. You know, a lot of people have money someplace and to them not really check back this so because in our bank and it's safe. So a lot of problem happen with NCB and also if you have an NCB account and you're overseas and you don't remember to check your account, you all need to check your account. Please and thanks. A lot of scamming are going through the NCB system. One friend of mine lose about $400,000. So you have to be careful where you keep the money. Just I bring it to you all attention because you know say that I go on to Jamaica with the NCB bank. Yeah man, so check on your account man. If you don't understand what I say, leave in the comment section and tell me if you don't understand, if you don't aware about the situation where it take place with the NCB bank. So we can't play a blind eyes. You work hard for the money. Overseas that the cola bus on yourself in and out. Work hard for the money so you don't save some money at Jamaica in the NCB bank. Or check a stop because you don't keep a check on the money. Come to Jamaica for the retirement or enjoyment. You realize all of your money gone. So check on the account for me. My paper. Yes, my paper. Do that for me. Yeah, I'm making a left turn, taking it up in the town to the KFC side area. So brother man reach up here, so man they move fast, see. Yeah, man. Rainy day in the beautiful island of Jamaica. Heading towards the States, in the States direction, going towards Goshen. Yeah, but I'm not going so far though.